All right, here is my Sculpt and Retopology. So I have my character here, Ronnie Dosh. This is the high poly. I will just go through and do a little rotation here, so you can see all angles of his beauty, if you may. I think he came out pretty good. I would have done the nose a little bit differently next time, but that's a lesson for next time. For the low poly, I actually did this in Max. I didn't do this in ZBrush because I'm a little bit more comfortable with that. I did lose some definition. And the smoothing groups in Max didn't come through. I'll still do the spin around and then show you with the smoothing groups in Max. So I have that. And then this is actually the low poly in Max with the smoothing groups applied to it, so it's a little easier to kind of tell what stuff is broken up between shirt, pants, hands, shoes, the head, neck, collar, and hair. And then I've actually done I've tested it in Substance Painter to make sure that when I bring in the high poly for detailing for the low poly, it still comes through perfectly fine, and that in the smoothing groups has worked. So onward we go, and hopefully it continues to be good.